Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to fix Google Forms no longer accepting response. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just create a Google form over here. So if my client are saying my form is not responding, accepting any types of a response, what I have to do here? So this is my Google form over here. There will be a response over here in your second tab. So there is a accept responding should be enabled over here. If it is disabled means no accepting response will be there, so that we can't able to receive the response over here. While you are enable this option, automatically you can receive the response as you see here. So there will be a response will be running over here. So while it is switched off over here means you can't able to do that without any other delay. For example, I just copy this thing and I just want to paste means automatically it will show the error. So form it's not accepting any types of things. See, they try to no longer accepting this thing, trying to connect your owner. So that if you enable this option means you can accept all kind of things. Just refresh means automatically the form will be enabled over here. So response will be there. You already responded. Yes. So simple and easiest way to enable your accepting response over here in response tab. So just click the tab option to enable means automatically it will enable your things. So first step, you have to get this option. You have to confirm whether your accepting response will be enabled or not. The second important thing, just go to Google and just go to Google Drive option and identify whether you have the sufficient space for accepting all the things. For example, your storage will be there in your Google Drive. Just go to Google Drive in your laptop or desktop and you will find the storage option. So there is a 323 MB files are used and 15 GB, so that my space is free now, so I can able to receive lot of response over here. If it is in a red color, you can't able to receive any types of response, because every response will be stored in Google Drive. So that you need to make sure whether your storage is clear and free means your Google response will be everything is accepted. Also your Google space is there means automatically response will be received. If it is not, just delete whatever unwanted files in your Google Drive and you can make a free space so that you can receive the files without any other delay. So this is a simple and easiest way to accepting your Google form, so to fix all types of errors in a Google form. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.